Hi, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect all your different ad accounts to Play in just a few taps. To start, we're going to be looking at Google Ads, and we'll get into Facebook ads and Instagram ads next. To start, there's just really two steps. You can tap on Google Profile. This is where you select the email that's listed on your Google Ads accounts or connected to your Google Ads account. Then I'll select the ad account that I want to choose because sometimes you might have multiple ad accounts listed to your Google profile. Plai will list out all of the ad accounts linked to that Google profile. If they're not listed there, I'll show you how you can check to make sure that your email is listed on your Google Ads account. And that's it. You're done. You can start launching your Google Ads, YouTube ads, Google Display ads, and more. To check, we can open up Google Ads, and all you have to do is tap this little Tools and Settings icon in the top right. Go to Account Access and Security, and you'll see the emails listed on that ad account. And you want to make sure in the first step you're selecting that personal email that would be listed there. And you're all set up and ready to go. Next, let's try connecting to Instagram ads. And it's the same process as you would if you just want to launch Facebook ads. So first, you want to connect to your Facebook profile. This is your personal Facebook profile that could be listed on your Instagram account or your Facebook Ads Manager account. When you connect to your profile, Plai will list out all the different Instagram pages and all of the different Facebook pages that Facebook profile is linked to. Go in and select the different ones that you want Plai to have access to and for you to launch ads for. Please make sure that all of these are selected so Plai has access and can properly launch and manage your ads. Once we've linked our Facebook profile to Plai will list out all the different ad accounts linked to that specific Facebook profile. So you can go in and select your specific ad account. This is where your billing will be held and you can actually see some of your campaigns. Next, just select your Facebook page or Instagram account that we gave Plai access to in the first step. This is what we will be using to represent your ads. If you get an error message that says you do not have an Instagram account linked to your Facebook page, please try tapping the drop-down menu and reselecting your Facebook page and it should show. So from there, the next step is that if you have a Facebook pixel on your site, you can say yes or no, and Plai will optimize for you to hit that goal. So for this, we want to have people start a trial, so we will select that, and Plai will optimize for that goal. And you're all set up and ready to go, and you can launch ads across Facebook and Instagram. The steps for TikTok are also very similar. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at plai@plai.app. We also have live support chat during regular business hours.